Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to hide your private files in Windows. As for example, I want to hide this folder. Right click on that folder and click on the properties. Now check on the hidden box and press on apply. And then after check on the apply changes to the folders only and press OK and press OK again. Now as you can see, the folder has been disappeared and it has been hidden. So this is how you can hide the files. And now we will learn again how to bring back the hidden files. For that, you have to go to the user. Before going any further, I humbly request you guys to please do like and subscribe my channel. And here click on view and then go to the options and you will see this folder option dialog box. Here you have to go to the view. And here you will see hidden files and folders, and please check on the show hidden files and folders option. And again please check on the hidden file image conflicts, and there you have to press yes. And you can press apply and OK. And as you can see, now the folder is back again. Right click to the folder and go to the properties. And this time you have to uncheck the hidden. Press OK and you will see a dialog box, and here check on the first option, that is apply changes to the folders only, and press OK again. And this is how you can bring your hidden folders back again. And after this you will face some problem and you will see those files, the system files, on the screen and everywhere in your drive. And here you can see all those system files, and this is very important to note that do not delete those files. We will go in a simple way. We will follow the same procedure. Go to the option again and then go to the view. The only thing you have to do is just only press on the button restore defaults and then press on apply and OK. And you can see that all the system files has been gone. It's clean and clear. It's gone already. This is how you can hide your files, and again you can bring back your files. Please follow the procedure you will able to do in a very simple way. Thank you once again for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe my channel. For more videos, please go to the description below, and we will meet again in the next video.